So this is a question from a lady in Palestine. She wants to know that at the time of Hajj, who can be defined as a Mahram, especially if she is not married and has no brothers and her father has passed away?
What will be the definition of Mahram during Hajj if that lady does not have the father or the brother or that situation?
The word Mahram remains the same. It doesn't change its definition. In England and in Saudi Arabia, the word Mahram is a universal word. It's applicable. But it's not necessary to have a Mahram during Hajj. Husband is not Mahram, but if some lady goes to Hajj with her husband, she can travel. But just alone by herself, without any mahram or without a husband, the ladies should not travel to Mecca. Particularly, the bachelor girls should not do it.
Huzur, she also commented that there are some groups.
First, let it be translated and then we'll follow it.
Huzur, she was mentioning that there are some groups that every year there's a group that goes for Hajj, and everyone is invited, and they're told that we will provide a mahram for the whole group.
I think she says that if the ladies go in a group,
yes,
although there could not be any mahram among them, but as a group protection,
yes,
they are protected from evil things. And what about permission to go in groups for ladies? Is that right? Yes. Is that what you asked? So it's a matter